So one other way you can save your document after you have done the design is by JPEG. All you have to do is to go to your menu bar here at the top here, click on this icon, or you press Ctrl E on your keyboard to open an export window. So an export window is going to pump up like this. Then you select where you want to save the document. Then the file format should always be in JPEG. Then you click on export. So here is our letterhead on the screen here. So some settings need to be done here. From costume here, we have to change it to IS. That is where we can have higher resolution of the JPEG. So this JPEG also can be printed out in on A4 paper. So this one here can be sent to clients to preview if they are actually satisfied with the design. And also we can as well upload this on internet. So let's see. Then I click on OK now. So this is how you save your file in different formats after you have done the designs, and we have done with our letterhead as a first step in brand design or brand identity. All right, so let us zoom in the entire shape. Minus, okay. So now the next thing I'm going to design is business folder. So how do we design a business folder? It's the same thing the way we design letterhead, right? So what I will just do here is that I will select the top design here, then I will drag it for one side, then I will click on this. I will take this one out also. I will have to delete this. Then the folder don't use to contain address. It's only letterhead that contain contact detail. I will select all this, then I'll press delete key on our keyboard. Now this is depends on the kind of style you want to use for your business folder. So in this case now, what I will just do is I will delete this. I will delete this. I will delete this. Then I will select this and press P to centralize. I will press Shift key and expand to increase this logo size and the company name. It's too bold. Let me reduce it more. So P to centralize. So this is very good for business folder. So we can go to file now, save as. So we can call this one business folder. So from letterhead to business folder design. Okay, so save. So we can as well save everything in PDF, JPEG, PNG, and so on and so forth, all in print ready. All right, so let's see how we can do the envelope from this particular design here. So it's very simple thing as well. We have to select the bottom shape here, then I will group it from this point, then I can drag it for one side, then the logo and the company name I will drag it here or so. Now we need to work on this. There is a drop down shadow here that you need to consider. When you double click the drop down shadow, a dialog box is going to pop up. So when the dialog box pops up, that is where you now resize the page layout, right? So this is a new page layout. So from here, you click on custom. Now you look for envelope layout size. corelDRAW have everything, so you can choose by 9 or by 10. Depends on the size of the business envelope. Then the resolution should be same 300. Then you click on OK. It's going to automatically convert this page layout, right? So one other thing we can do here is that since envelope is always in landscape, we need to go back here and switch to landscape. Okay. Oh, okay. So let us double click again and go back to the layout. Okay. So here we switch to need to switch. Okay, let's type it. This one here is, I'll copy this, then I'll paste it here. Then here is 9.5, 9.5. Yeah. So now this one become active. Then everything is 300, and I'll click on OK. Very good. So this is the, so we can delete all this ruler now. Right click and delete. We right click on this and delete. Right click on this, then delete. Right click on this and delete. Okay, so next we have to make a page border. By double click on this rectangle here, we make a page border. Sorry. Okay, so we can now select our shape style design. Then we press P to centralize. So let us zoom out and see everything. So now we need to make sure that shift key and drag and make sure everything snap to the edge of this shape style. Snap to the edge and release. Then we press shift key and click on the page border and press B on our keyboard. This is simply means align to the bottom, right? So we can go back to our text tools now and make a type. So business slip always with, they always wrote with compliments. That is it. Control A. So we need to maintain the same our Roboto font. This is very much important. Go back to Roboto. So in this regard, we look for Roboto family. Then we select Roboto medium. Then we can drag here and put this one down here. Then we click on the logo and company name, press P to centralize. So we can resize. So this is kind of small. Let's increase it. Then I'll press Shift key and click on the border. Then I'll press T to align to the top, R to the left, to the right, then L to the left. That's where I want it to be. So the company detail, the company name and the logo will be here. So we can have a simple margin like this. Very good. So this is how you design a business envelope in brand identity design. Let's quickly save it. We go to File, Save As. So we call this one business envelope design. Then save.